Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am going over the starter pullover. Yes, you know the classic starter pullover jackets, man. We're going to go over the look, the fit, the sizing, and you know I got to give you an outfit idea. Remember, when it comes to kicks, clothes, or cologne, I'm going to get you in your zone. Stay tuned. All right, and welcome back, man. So right here, I do have my package, and I did get this from Homage or Homage, however you want to say it. But Homage, they do come out every year with the starter jackets. They have the classic satin ones, which I do have in the Eagles. I have the satin joint, which I already did a video on, so check out that video. And right now, I had to get the pullover, man. So let me go ahead and give this a little rip. Here we go. Yes, sir. And like I said, they have all teams. They got baseball teams, football teams. And yeah, we're going to get right into it. Okay. Looking good. We got the nice large starter pullover. Got a sticker. Came with a nice sticker right here. But let's get into the jacket. So this is the tag right here. So it says Homage starter jacket, pullover jacket in black. So that's just kind of like what the label says on it. And I did get this in a size medium. Now, I'm a true size medium in all of my clothes, like my Nike stuff, everything size medium. So I decided to go with a medium in this as well. Let's go ahead and open up this plastic. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Here we go. All right, man. Looks good. Here we go. We have the starter pullover jacket. Now this is the one that was made really popular, I want to say, in like the early 90s. You had to have you a nice starter pullover, and I finally got mine. So here we go. We're going to just take a quick look right here. We do have the zipper with the starter logo right there on the zipper. Go ahead and pull that down. This does open up to where you get that nice starter logo right in the middle as well. And like I said, this is a pullover, so you just throw it right over top of whatever shirt you have on. We have a very good thickness on this. So if it's a cold day out, I definitely could see you wearing this and having it be something that'll keep you warm. We have that classic vintage design right here. We have a pouch with the best team in the NFL, man. We got the Eagles, man. Bird Gang, you know what time it is. We have that Kelly green throwback logo right here. Does have the pouch, Velcro. So the pouch is Velcro and it's zippered. So you get the zipper and the Velcro. Oh, you get some good, you got some good space in there in that pouch. Let me go ahead and put this back down. Hold it up straight so you can see we got the Kelly green, which is followed by the white on the side. Then we go into that black. Also comes with a hood. And we have that nice big eagle on the back, man. Nicely, stitched all the way around. So it feels like this is a patch that is stitched all the way around on this right here. Very nice. So we come to the sleeves. Sleeves are black. We get a little bit of that green. And we also have on the left sleeve, we have the starter logo. And this is officially licensed, you feel me? So you get the NFL sticker right here. You get the starter. And Homage, like I said, they also have the satin jackets. They have t-shirts, stuff like that. But I was just really interested in this starter jacket. Has the throwback logo right there. And in red, it does say Homage exclusive. And there actually is... I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with QVC, but it's like a home shopping network type thing. they have the pullover, but they don't have the throwback. They only have like the newer logo, which are cool too. But I mean, if I'm gonna go old school, I'm gonna go all the way old school with this, man. On the hood, we do have some bungee cords, so you can tighten it up if you like. Got the nice little bungee right there. I'm gonna probably leave mine loose because you feel me, I'm just throw this right on, you feel me? But yeah, overall, very nice jacket, man. The retail on this is, I believe, $175, and right now they're running a sale. So I bought it at the wrong time, but they're running a sale where I believe it's like 30 or maybe 20% off. So now's the time to get it if you want it. We do also have pockets on the right and left side. They don't go all the way through because you do have that pouch there. Let's see around the bottom. Bottom does have elastic, so it should give a nice fit on the bottom. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, yep, you can also zip the side. So it's almost like a half zip opening. Let me hold it up so you can see. But on the left side, we have a half zip opening. So if you want to have it so it breathes a little bit more, you can do that. Or you can just zip it right down and get the tight fit all the way around. But yeah, man, overall a very nice jacket. You already know I got to put something on, man. So yeah, let's go ahead and put this on body. And right here, I do have the jacket on. I mean, what you think, man? Talk to me nice. Definitely looks good. We have that classic black with the Kelly green. Got the white on there. And so for the fit, I decided to go with the white Air Force Ones, you feel me? Because you can't really go wrong with the white Forces. Went with the clean look right here. And I did throw on the Nike Windrunner pants as well. We got the good zip on there. As you can see, the Windrunner pants I feel like went really good with the jacket. We got that half zip on the left side. You pull it down, it makes it a lot more snug. Nice patchwork on the back with that eagle. Oh yes, hood on, bungee cords activated, just in case you in a chilly situation, man. But remember, don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You know I got more heat coming. But it's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.